Can I sit down for a minute? What time is it?
Sit down in the front. Let's go. Your purse right here.
What?
Here's your phone. Phone's in your purse.
I don't even know how I called. I'm so sorry.
I know I am.
I'm so sorry. Can please stop laughing at me? Please stop doing it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Will somebody make out with me? Dylan, I can't. Where's my phone?
Your phone in your purse is right here.
Who's calling me?
Nobody's calling you.
What time is it though?
12:30.
Where's my purse?
Right here.
That's mine.
What time is it?
It's like
Okay, let me go because my parents are gonna freak.
Mom's cell.
okay.
Ignore. What time
Kayla,
is it?
stop taking me to
I'm not taking pictures of you.
the camera.
It's 12:30. Let's
Hi
go.
guys.
Come on, let's go.
I really give a lot of Justin. But I really should hook up with Brian or Dylan because they both would actually care about me. Dylan, I'm fine.
And in the tape.